Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly find hot items to sell on eBay using Google for any niche that you research. And you can also use the same strategy to find hot items to sell on Amazon and your own website like a Shopify store. So let's launch straight into it. Let's say your niche is quilts. You type or copy and paste this phrase into Google. Let me first explain how this search phrase works. First of all, the first piece of text in between the quotes is obviously the niche, which in this case is quilt. The next part, the 20, 3 dots, then 10,000 and sold in quotes, means we only want Google to show us hot items with results where eBay is showing listings that have sold between 20 and 10,000 times. The last part of this Google search phrase is we're telling Google in which URL to look. For this example, I'm using eBay Australia, which is ebay.com.au. The /ITM is there because every item listed on eBay includes this /ITM. Let me show you. So I'll type into Google this search phrase and Google returns me the search results. And you can see doing this research, Google shows me how many times items have sold on eBay in the last 24 hours. And also, Google shows me how many times the listings are sold in total on eBay. When items are sold multiple times on eBay in the last 24 hours, this can be a very good indication that the item is an eBay hot selling item. For example, if I click on this item, Google takes me into eBay and I can see this item has sold 13 times in the last 24 hours. And it's sold 6,956 times in total since it was listed. Notice that in the Google search results, Google was only showing 3 sales in the last 24 hours, but eBay is showing 13 sold in the last 24 hours. This is because there's normally always a lag between when Google last crawled this listing in eBay. Now, to speed up this exercise of researching niches to find hot selling items, when you do this search in Google, or any search in Google for that matter, Google normally only shows 10 to 13 results per page, and 3 of the search results are normally ads. If you want more search results than 10 at a time, simply click the settings icon on Google, then see all settings, and then choose how many results you'd like to see per page. You can choose from 10 to 100 results per page, but note that the more results that you choose per page, the slower that your Google search results will appear. Now, another Google search which you can do to find eBay hot selling items is you can ask Google to show you any products in your niche which are sold in the last 24 hours. Obviously, if items are sold multiple times on eBay in the last 24 hours, there's a very good chance they are eBay hot selling items. To do this search, type this search phrase into Google. Obviously, replace the keywords Samsung Galaxy with your niche. When I search Google using this search request, I get the following. Here you can see that Google is showing multiple results where items are sold multiple times in the last 24 hours. You can click on any of these and Google will take you into eBay where you can see that exact eBay listing. So that's all for this week. Please scroll on down, leave me a comment below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.